Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's session, we will focus on the purpose and objectives of ISO 27036, a standard dedicated to managing information security in supplier relationships. As organizations rely more on third parties for various services, ensuring security across the supplier network is becoming more important than ever. Purpose of ISO 27036. ISO 27036 was created to address the growing risks that come with third-party and supplier relationships. The purpose of this standard is to provide organizations with guidelines and best practices for securing the flow of information across supplier networks. It helps manage the risks associated with sharing sensitive data, intellectual property, and critical systems with external suppliers. In a word, where supply chains are increasingly digital and interconnected, security must be managed not just within the organization, but across its entire network of partners and suppliers. ISO 27036 helps organizations implement effective controls and processes to protect information in these complex environments. Key objectives of ISO 27036. The main objectives of ISO 27036 can be broken down into 4 key areas. Enhancing information security in supplier relationships. The primary goal of ISO 27036 is to establish a strong security framework for managing supplier relationships. It ensures that organizations can trust the suppliers they work with and that suppliers adhere to the same security standards as the organization itself. This includes implementing security controls to protect data shared with suppliers, ensuring secure communication channels, and regularly evaluating suppliers' security practices. Managing risks across the supply chain. Another crucial objective is risk management. ISO 27036 helps organizations identify, assess, and mitigate risks related to their suppliers. By following the guidelines provided in this standard, organizations can reduce the likelihood of data breaches, service disruptions, or cyber attacks that may arise through vulnerabilities in the supply chain. ISO 27036 emphasizes the need for continuous monitoring and auditing of supplier relationships to ensure that security risks are kept under control. Establishing clear roles and responsibilities. ISO 27036 ensures that both the organization and its suppliers have clear roles and responsibilities when it comes to maintaining information security. This creates a transparent relationship where both parties understand their obligations and work together to uphold security standards. This includes defining security requirements in supplier contracts, setting expectations for data handling, and establishing procedures for reporting and addressing security incidents. Fostering trust and collaboration. One of the broader objectives of ISO 27036 is to foster trust and collaboration between organizations and their suppliers. By adopting this standard, organizations can create a secure and transparent relationship where both parties are aligned in their commitment to protecting sensitive information. This leads to improved communication, better decision-making, and a more resilient supply chain that can withstand security threats. To sum up, the purpose of ISO 27036 is to provide a comprehensive framework for managing information security in supplier relationships. Its objectives focus on enhancing security, managing risks, defining responsibilities, and fostering trust. By following ISO 27036, organizations can ensure that their suppliers are reliable partners in safeguarding their critical information and systems. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insights on how ISO standards can help your organization achieve stronger security in today's interconnected world. If you have any questions related to this ISO, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.